A nurse has been stood down from his hospital job in northern Western Australia following an expletive-filled, racist rant on social media that threatened violence against children. On a Broome community Facebook page on Friday night, nurse Kevin Otto responded to comments about children breaking into homes in the town. Just ing bash them within an inch of their useless, worthless lives. They are nothing more than rats or cockroaches, he wrote. These s rooting their own daughters. The bulba has been interpreted as a reference to the death of Indigenous teenager Elijah Doherty, who was hit and killed last year by a man trying to retrieve his stolen motorbike, an incident that triggered riots in Kalgoorlie and anger nationally. The following morning Mr. Otto asked the site administrators to publish an apology. The response on social media was fast and fierce, with local Aboriginal people writing of their disgust. Broome has historically been a very multicultural community, but no child anywhere should fear threats from an adult, wrote Malika Perdrisat. I thought that at the least Australia could learn from Elijah's case, but instead people are making jokes and encouraging criminal behaviour in Broome. The Western Australia Country Health Service, WARCS, was quick to distance itself from Mr. Otto's comments, confirming he was stood down on Saturday morning. The comments made on the Broome community Facebook page by a staff member employed at Broome Health Service are not acceptable to the Western Australia Country Health Service, a spokesperson said. Senior staff at WARCS were made aware of the comments posted on Facebook on Saturday morning, and action was immediately taken by the WARCS Kimberley Regional Director to stand down the staff member pending an investigation. These comments contradict the views and values of the Western Australia Country Health Services. WARCS strongly values our connection with Aboriginal communities across the state. All staff are bound by the Western Australia Health Code of Conduct, and any breaches of this policy may result in disciplinary action. Kimberley MP Josie Farah has slammed the nurse's off-duty comments, saying someone holding such views shall be irresponsible for treating children at the local hospital. Such a person, because of the professional duty that they have, has a duty of care for everybody, and that includes black kids as well as non-black kids. Mr. Farah, herself an Gajar woman, said being drunk was no excuse for the comments. She said there was an ongoing problem with vigilante threats and explicitly racist comments being made on social media pages in the Kimberley. I think Aboriginal people are the focal point of a lot of this racial abuse and they experience it every day, Ms. Farah said. At times it's not made public, but this is the kind of thing we shall have to be putting up with. Employment law specialist Jonathan Marmaril said the case was typical of the increasing number of workplace problems emerging from social media use. It is such a fast-evolving area, but there are quite a few cases of unfair dismissal, general protections or adverse action that involve social media or social media use in the Fair Work Commission at the moment, and in different state commissions already, he said. He said people did not have to breach laws such defamation or discrimination to lose their jobs for comments made online, outside of work hours.